best standing products right now are going to be some of our cloud offerings. About 18 months ago, we built out a new cloud data center that we host here in downtown Austin. We're very proud of the growth that we have on that. We have enterprise level equipment back in our server room, and we're able to run with 100% uptime since we started and installed that.
Cloud computing services range from hosted servers in our cloud environment to hosted email. We provide backup storage. If you don't want to invest the massive amount of money it takes to have an entire infrastructure on-premise or on your location, you can actually host with us, and we can provide everything from your domain controller to your network authentication, all the way from email to replicated backups to multiple locations. We can host your entire IT infrastructure here, where the only thing you have to worry about is having a laptop to access it.
The benefits of going to the cloud are reduced capital expenditures and a more secure and more reliable environment.
The security standpoint of it is where it also ties into not having to have the on-premise IT personnel. You also have the ability to ensure that you have good, consistent backups of your data in multiple locations. Disaster recovery is a huge thing nowadays. 70% of small businesses fail if they suffer a critical data loss. Now that can also be true for medium and large businesses. So having that environment hosted, outsourced, and in a different location prevents a disgruntled employee from going in and taking your environment down. It also provides safer backups for if you do have a fire in the building, we can stand you up here remotely within a couple of hours instead of you being down for 4 to 5 days.
When we are able to install and manage everything and we just take it from the ground up, we become the client's full IT department. So they don't have to worry about having anybody on staff that knows IT at all. They can do what they're experts in, whether it be a lawyer or an architect. They can just do what they're good at, do what they know, and make their money, and they totally offload the whole burden of IT to Vintage.
The benefit is it's actually a lower cost. It's a monthly service at that point, but again, you don't have to worry about having the infrastructure fail on you. If you have a server in your environment and let's say your AC goes out in your server room, the server gets too hot, you start having hard drives fail. You have power supplies die. If you lose power in your building, you're down completely. With a hosted environment, everything lives on our infrastructure, so no matter what happens at your location, you still have accessibility so you can continue your business from day to day.
For a small business owner to put everything up into the cloud, it can be a big step to overcome, but it is a proven technology now. The biggest benefits to it are the cost. Instead of having capital expenditure, it can become an operating expense, so you don't have to worry about putting out any large upfront money towards a new server, a new network environment in your office.